Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. How to use online asynchronous writing calculations. You must first create your draft in Google Drive or upload Word file to Google Drive. When when you create your draft in Google Drive, you also need to address these three questions before sharing your documents. What is the assignment? If possible, please include any assignment guidelines provided by your professor. What is your thesis statement? What do you specifically want to feedback on? For you to have effective online conclusion, you must answer these three questions. Once you have dropped in Google Drive and have answered the three questions, you can share the documents with writing help. This is the dialog box that appears with you to type in writing and then click share and share. Once you share your documents, a writing consultant will comment on your draft within 40 hours. You will then be able to go to your Google Drive and see the change. If you have any question regarding the consultant suggestions, you can reply to the consultant via the comment featured in the top right hand corner of Google Drive. When you are finished with your conclusions, be sure to and share your documents with the Writing Help Google group. Check this out next. How to install Google Drive with Windows. Solution for fluency style blogs. Writing the basic. Create, share and communicate with Google Apps. Google Workshop app.